Today I will show you how to build a SaaS website using Webflow template. No coding is required. Let's get into your Webflow project setup. First, head over to webflow.com and log in. Now grab a free or premium Webflow template from the link in the description. I have made it super simple for you. Next, check out the templates and pick one that matches your vision. Once you choose, Webflow will load it right into the dashboard. Just name your project. Now before customizing, let's match it your brand. Go to the style manager and set your colors, fonts and design elements. Keep everything consistent, button, headings, all of it. Then let's focus site content. Write SEO-friendly headlines, description and CTAs to grab attention and boost visibility. And remember, your CTA should be clear and compelling to drive conversions. If you are unsure how to create your SaaS website content, no worries. I have got you covered with a PDF guide I put together. Grab it from the description to get pro tips on creating content that resonates with your audience. Let's move on customizing your Webflow template. Click Open Site. First, let's match the template to your brand. Go to Variables, Base Collection and update your brand colors and fonts. This will automatically apply across the entire site, so you don't have to change each element manually. Now let's fix the navigation and footer. Click the menu bar, select the link and update the text and URL in the settings panel. Do the same for footer links so they point to the correct pages like About, Contact and Legal. Third, it's time to replace all placeholder content with your own. Start with the text, just click the any text block and start typing. If you need to adjust the font size or color, use the style panel on the right. Next, let's change the images. Click on any image, go to settings panel, hit replace image to upload your own. Now let's make sure your forms are set up correctly. Click any form, open the form settings, check where the submissions are going. If needed, update the email or connect it to the CRM like HubSpot or MailChimp. Next, we are moving to SEO settings. Open the Pages panel, click the settings icon. Next to each page, add your meta title and description. Don't forget to add all text for images. Just select the image to go to settings and type the short description. Next, adding analytics. To keep track of who is visiting your site and how they are interacting with, you will need to set up analytics. Just head over Site Settings, then click on Apps and Integration tab. Here you will find the option to Measurement ID for Google Analytics. Simply paste your tracking ID or connect and view Site Analytics using the new Google Site tools in the Webflow app. You will also add options, integrate Google Maps, set up Metapixel to track events on your site and connect third-party apps to access your site data seamlessly. Now it's time to make sure your site looks great on mobile devices. At the top of the Webflow, you will see device icons. Click on them, switch between different screen sizes like tablet, mobile. Go through each page carefully and check everything aligned properly. Pay close attention to text sizes, button replacement and images to ensure they are readable and easy to interact with. A smooth, responsive design will make sure your site looks professional and functions perfectly on any device. Alright, once your site looks perfect on all devices, the next step is test it before going to live. And good news, Webflow makes this super easy with staging domain. Just click Publish, select the staging domain, hit Publish again. Now go through every page carefully, click on all buttons, test links and submit forms to make sure everything works as expected. If you are happy with staging domain, you can keep using it, but if you want to custom domain, you will need to purchase a Webflow plan, either the basic or CMS plan depending on your needs. Once you have got the plan, you can easily connect your domain to Webflow. And if you don't already have a domain, no worries, you can buy one from any domain provider, then connect it simply as that. And that's it, your SaaS Webflow site is fully customized and live. Today you learned how to create great looking SaaS website using a Webflow template. I hope this guide made things simple for you. Your website is super important because it's the first thing people see. So make sure it looks good and works well. If you found this video is helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the future videos. If you are struggling with Webflow, Framer or WordPress, I have got you. Book a free consultation call, link in the description. Also check the description for useful resources and templates to save time. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.